with Charlie King this morning from Tribe Tech. Charlie, morning. Good to speak.
Morning, how you doing?
Good, Charlie. Look, firstly, give us an introduction. Tell us what Tribe Tech is all about.
Tribe Tech, we're a disruptive developer of autonomous mining equipment. The space is known as METS, Mining Engineering Technology Services. Very exciting sector that isn't that well represented at the moment on the London Stock Exchange, and really exciting space where we're delivering technology into the mining industry, which is obviously a massive space with some large players such as Anglo American, FMG, Rio, BHP, all making huge moves within this space.
Well, Charlie, tell us a bit more about your technology.
So our technology is the world's first fully autonomous reverse circulation drill. RC is a type of drilling methodology used to prove out resources, but then also through mining production. And the type of grade control drilling we're doing helps increase productivity and safety and give better data and analytics for mining productivity.
And you've just recently shipped your first autonomous rig. Just tell us a bit more about the client.
Yeah, so it's a subsidiary of Major Drilling. Major Drilling's the largest drilling contractor in the world by market cap. It's the wholly owned subsidiary, McKay Drilling, who are known within the industry as one of the best, if not the best, RC drillers out there. So a huge statement to industry that we've got their support, and them ordering our machines. And those first four machines they've got are going to Fortescue Metals Group, or FMG, where they secured a large automation-based contract by specifying our technology.
And you did, Charlie, you touched on it before, but just remind us and give us a bit more detail about some of the benefits of using these rigs.
Yeah, look, the whole mining industry is moving towards automation. Started to happen in 2012. Now you've got companies like Rio Tinto, Anglo, FMG that have fully autonomous mines and mine production. But the one manual thing they have in those autonomous mines is, grade control and exploration drilling. So you have a fully autonomous mine and then a couple of people doing a very dangerous manual activity in the bottom of it. So we're plugging that niche with our technology.
Have you got you see your pipeline of orders and inquiries? Is that building up?
Yes, I can't give any specifics on that at the moment, and we'll make announcements in due course. But the amount of inbound inquiries we're getting from the biggest players within our space is fantastic, and the demand for the technology we've got is really exciting. So expect to hear more in due course.
Well, look, we know the state of the current financial markets. Budgets are tight. Is there a cost limitation to using your rigs as opposed to what's already on the market?
Look, they are more expensive, but most of the tier one operators don't put a price on safety. If you can remove people from the operation, that there's no limit to what the benefits of that are. Nobody wants to see anybody get hurt. I've been around some nasty industry incidents on drill rigs, and they are dangerous bits of kit. And in my view, the only way to make them safe is to have nobody on it.
Charlie, are you working with any strategic partners or joint development agreements on these?
Yeah, so we on the rigs itself, we own all our IP. We've done it all ourselves: software, hardware, engineering, production. We own all of that technology. But we've recently done some joint development agreements with Veraccio and Imdex, two of the biggest mining technology METS players within the sector, which I think is a huge testament to us and what we're doing, that these huge behemoths want to partner with us and create new technology or add value to what we have already done or what they have already done. So what we're thinking with all the IP we needed to create to develop our core products is we're actually now able to start looking at monetizing some of the IP we've already created into other areas. And we'll announce more on that. We've been quite coy about it, but we'll announce more in due course.
Well, clearly these rigs, they wouldn't be cheap bits of kit to build. How's your funding position?
Yeah, look, building big, well, what the industry calls big yellow equipment it's a capital intensive game, and that's why we IPO'd. We need access to growth capital. We've got, as we get more orders, we look to scale up production. We need more working capital. So it's the nature of the beast. Our competitors are multi-billion-dollar businesses with huge bank balances and balance sheets, and we to compete with them, we know we can on the technology. We've got 100% success rate at tender, even though our tech's more expensive. But we do need access to capital to keep growing, and if that's a limitation of our growth, but why we're on one of the reasons we're on the capital markets.
Well, look, that's interesting. Just tell us a bit more, Charlie. What sets you apart from your peers, from the competition?
Yeah, I think for us, we've done a ground up design around the automation rather than trying to retrofit automation to existing designs. And the reason people don't do that is because it's a Herculean engineering effort. We're 200,000 development hours into getting our first kind of project product out there in the field. It's a huge undertaking. And I think that gives us a really good jump on the competition, because so long as they're trying to retrofit, we believe there are major limitations. So you might get some of the low-hanging fruit, but to unlock the true safety and productivity benefits, you need to design the machine around the automation.
What's the plan, Charlie, for the next 6 to 12 months? What have you got up your sleeve?
Look, getting our products in the field, it's what everybody's been waiting to see, from our loyal, fantastic investor base to new potential investors to our new prospective clients. Everybody's waiting to see this technology in the field. And yeah, right now it's on a boat on its way to Australia, which is really exciting.
Indeed. Good to speak, Charlie. Thanks for your time.
Excellent. Cheers, Andrew. Keep well.